In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a welcome email sequence on Mailerlite in 2025. We'll start right from the Mailerlite dashboard. So once you're logged in, the first thing you want to do is create a subscriber group. Head over to subscribers, then groups, and click create group. Give the group a clear name, something like new subscribers or newsletter subscribers. This is important because this group will be used to trigger your welcome sequence, so it should be easy to recognize later. Once your group is ready, go to Automations from the left-hand menu. From there, click Create Workflow or New Automation, depending on what your version shows. You'll then give your automation a name. A simple name like Welcome Email Sequence works perfectly. After that, click Start Building. Now it's time to choose the trigger. Select Joins a Group, then choose the subscriber group you just created and save it. This means that whenever someone is added to that group, Mailerlite will automatically start the sequence for them. Under the trigger, click the plus button and choose Send Email. Here you'll enter your email subject, your sender name, and your sender email address. Then click Design Email to build the message itself. For the welcome email, you can choose a template or start from scratch. Add a warm welcome message, introduce your brand or business, and let subscribers know what kind of emails they can expect from you. If it makes sense for your audience, you can also include a call to action. Once you're happy with the email, click Done Editing. Next, add a delay by clicking the plus button after the first email and selecting Delay. Choose how long you want to wait before sending the next email. A common starting point is 1 day, which gives new subscribers a little breathing room before the next message arrives. After that delay, add your second email. Click the plus button again, choose Send Email, and create a message that offers more value. This could include helpful tips, useful resources, or more information about your products or services. Then add another delay step. You might wait another 1 to 2 days before sending your third email. After that, add one more send email step. This third message can introduce your main offer, your service, your product, or the next action you want subscribers to take. At this point, your sequence should look something like this: Joins group, welcome email, 1 day delay, value email, another delay, and then your offer or next step email. Before you activate anything, review the full workflow carefully. Check each email, test your links and images, confirm your subject lines and sender details, and use a test subscriber to make sure everything runs correctly. Once everything looks good, click Activate. From that point on, new